Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use iOS 26 RCS messaging feature. So RCS, also known as Rich Communication Services, brings modern texting features such as read receipts, typing indicators, and high-resolution media sharing to conversations between iPhone and Android users. So what you want to do is ensure that your iOS is running on iOS 18 or later. Simply go to Settings and then click on General and make sure that you have updated your iOS. Now, the second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head straight down to Apps. Now, inside of your apps, you want to simply go ahead and look for the Messages apps. Finally, once you've tapped on Messages, all you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the RCS messaging and simply go ahead and turn it on. Once you simply go ahead and turn it on your settings, then you can simply go ahead and use high quality transfers and typing indicators on your Android and iPhone simultaneously. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down.